Uh,
Yes. So, yes, we are live,
yeah.
Rakesh,
Yeah. Let's
and
just have a
yeah,
hi
I hope
here.
everyone
So
can see us. Uh,
just
Hello.
send a hi here so I know how this works. If you can see
Yeah,
this.
sure. Yeah, I can see it. We'll just take another minute for people to join in. Meanwhile, how are you
No,
doing,
and
Rakesh?
very good, very good. How about you?
I'm doing good. Yeah, going well. Now that the schools are resuming tomorrow onwards for most
Tomorrow
of the
there,
kids.
our schools are opening on the 4th.
Okay, 4th June.
Similar, huh?
Yeah, some of the schools are resuming tomorrow onwards. So this is a wonderful topic that we are going to discuss about type 1 diabetes and managing the schools and studies. I hope it will help many of the parents just like us.
Yeah, in fact, us too.
Yeah,
We still have so many pointers. We still have so many queries on a daily basis. It's
right.
like an event happening every day. So you have to
Yes,
keep
it is
running
a
around.
daily situation. Yes.
Yeah.
So it becomes every parent's experience and with the type 1 child, because there are different kind of insulins, different kind of schedule the child goes through for the school, different activities. So it becomes a combination of experiences with the type 1 diabetes and managing the insulin and yet the schedule, school schedule,
Correct.
exam schedule, which at times becomes very stressful for everyone. So we are here to discuss all about that, and hopefully uh, we should be able to, give some relief to each other.
Yeah.
So how do you feel about this session?
Yeah, it's interesting and more than being informative about the newer parents and the other parents like us. I
Yes,
think it's important for us also to keep updating each other, and to it's a net practice for us also, because what we are doing on a daily basis, there's so many things that you don't realize. Sometimes you have a set pattern and you're going on the set pattern, but somewhere a degree or two is changed, and then we don't realize the difference becomes big. So when we are updating each other, we realize, अरे यार ये तो हमारे साथ भी है, तो ये तो हम we didn't realize we are going wrong. So we need to
correct.
update and correct ourselves. So that is very important. It's like net
That's right.
practice. It is like it is important for us also.
Yes,
So
that's right.
because it's a
That's right.
daily thing. Ah,
Yes.
and this. Acha, now I realize I can do full screen also. But then I won't be able to see the chat.
I think you can see the comments and the private chat also, both.
While you do full screen,
You'll have to press the escape, so you'll come back to the normal screen.
that I have understood. But now when I am seeing the frame and the comments, the size becomes smaller. If I do full screen, then I
Yes,
can't that then that comment section
I believe
you can't.
that's how it is designed
Acha,
to work.
okay.
Yeah,
See, I
I
have to
think.
learn this also.
I think we should begin now.
Yeah.
Yes. So, welcome to Blue Circles, another wonderful workshop that we conduct every Sunday. These workshops are all about diabetes and all the topics related to diabetes. And these workshops are mostly run by the people who actually live with all types of diabetes themselves. And Blue Circle Diabetes Foundation have been doing these workshops since the year 2020, and we have done over 250 workshops so far without fail and on every Sunday. Blue Circle Diabetes Foundation is India's largest patient led inclusive community for people with diabetes, and everyone is welcome to join these workshops and also the social media groups of Blue Circle Diabetes Foundation. So let me introduce myself. My name is Savita, and uh, although I am an ex-IT person, now I am a full-time yoga instructor and a
Oh,
certified yoga instructor. Okay, that is my introduction. And I became aware of type 1 diabetes as my own daughter is, she is juvenile diabetic, and we have been living with diabetes for almost 10 to 12 years for now. Over to you, Rakesh.
hi, Savita, and hi, people. Uh, I am a type 1 parent. My daughter Ruhani was diagnosed in August 2020 with type 1 diabetes, and we were absolutely unaware of what this was because, like normal people, we thought diabetes is diabetes, and which happens to people at a certain age, and which is what we got a shock, and we then educated ourselves on it. So it's been 5 years now. So it's a battle every day. It's a challenge every day. But I think we've all taken it in our stride, and with due help of doctors and especially this Blue Circle Diabetes group. These guys have been so helpful in our day-to-day life and day-to-day challenges. These guys are like they make you realize that you're not alone. We are all sailing in the same boat, and we're all in it together. And it's like a huge family that support each other, that help each other at whatever time of the day, night, any query, any problems, any challenges. They are just there for you, and which is great. Which is we are so thankful to this group. And hi, Snehal. And Snehal, of course, has been such a great help. Besides our Nupur, these two have been such great help, and the entire group. I think there are different groups for different cities also. So I am there in a couple of Blue Circle groups, and these guys have been super. So I think it's our turn to give it back to the group and the other people, the newer parents or parents who are as experienced as us or even more. And it is not just that we are here to give some pointers. It is we also need pointers from everyone. Like Savita, in this 5 minute conversation, she gave. She spoke about T1, and I realized, yeah, there's so much more that I need to learn from her also, how she's handling her own child since the last 12 years,
Yeah,
13 years.
12 years. Yes.
Great, great, yeah, great. It's superb.
Yes.
So, uh,
Yeah.
hi,
Rakesh.
Abhilasha Deswal asks, at what age was okay? My daughter Ruhani was diagnosed when she was 10 years, and this is during the pandemic. August 2020, and I hear a lot of other kids were diagnosed. Now I don't know whether it happens throughout the year or a lot of kids were diagnosed during June 2020 to March 2021 during the pandemic time, and my daughter or me or my wife, we weren't affected by corona. So it is not that corona हुआ था तो इसलिए कुछ हुआ, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ था. But we were diagnosed then, and we know a lot of people who were diagnosed during that phase. And Savita, when was your daughter diagnosed?
My daughter was diagnosed at the age of 2. She was just a baby that time.
Yeah. So it must be a
So,
huge challenge
yeah.
besides handling
Moving
the
on
toddler.
to Rakesh, moving on to today's topic, which is related to school and uh, challenges with type 1 kids. Okay, or rather, I would say handling insulin regimen during the school time. Okay, how it differs from the normal child going to school and type 1 child going to school. So, uh, What do you think? What is your experience with your daughter on that?
Sorry, before that, I think Abhilasha's daughter was also diagnosed recently at the age of 2. So, if we could, I think, discuss that, it'll be beneficial for Abhilasha and her family. So, I think your experience, Savita, would be very
Yes.
helpful right now.
Yes,
If
I
you
think
could
I
give your
should take
pointers
this
to Abhilasha.
offline in detail with Abhilasha. I would surely talk to her in detail because I might not be able to answer all her queries right away in a sentence or two. As a parent, I feel that she might be needing more information from me. So it would be good to talk to her offline after this session. I would be happy to talk to her about it.
Mhm. Okay.
So
So,
yes,
you were saying you were asking something.
sorry.
You were asking me something.
Yeah, I was asking about, I was coming back to today's topic about type 1 diabetes and school. I'm sure, as a type 1 parent, being a parent of a type 1 child, I had lots of anxiety sending my daughter away to school, for a longer time, even as a small kid. I'm sure you must be going through that phase, or you might have gone through that phase. So, uh, how do you and how is your family dealing with that? And what pointers can we give to today's audience?
See, Rouhani was diagnosed during the pandemic, so the minus point was whatever age, whatever you are unaware, and there's too much to be updated and educated about. But the plus point was there was pandemic and everyone was at home. There was no school, so handling Rouhani with online classes was fairly easier compared to if it would have happened during the school time.
Yeah,
And we had even though it was an online school, we pulled her out of the school because we thought our entire focus should be on her health more than the education. So we pulled her out. We said next year the schools would be on, and then we can, by the time we'll have a grip over what is to be done, and then we'll
mm,
start again. So 1 year we take off to understand and get into the groove. So by the time we reached February, March, we realized is another year is online. So why should we waste the year? So we again got ourselves admitted into another school, and Ruhani gave her exams and saved the year. So 2 years of online schooling helped
mm,
Ruhani and us to get a grip of type 1 diabetes. And then the major plus point was when we got onto Libre. That was a huge thing. Because of that, we were clear that she can go to school now because she will not have to constantly prick herself, and she can check her sugars on the phone. And the Blue Circle Diabetes app will send those sugars on me and my wife's phone. So we were remotely keeping a check on
able to
Ruhani's
monitor.
sugars.
Yeah.
So because of that, we took that whole. I think that is a huge thing for me to send my daughter back to school, and wouldn't have done it without the help of the school principal, the teachers, and the Blue Circle family and Libre. So these three things were humongous in Rohani getting back to her school. And then by the
Right.
time she had started taking her own insulin and understanding the carb counts, and she would call us during the interval, and she would ask about the number of units to be taken, and that's how we got her back into the normal life. And yeah, so now we are much stable, and smoother sailing is happening now, I think, because of these 3 4 things. It was difficult initially, but now it's nice.
I feel, Rakesh, different age groups might have different challenges resuming to school, after being diagnosed as a juvenile diabetic. I see we have a query here from Manisha. She has mentioned her daughter is starting with a full-time school from tomorrow, and she has mentioned her timing. Manisha, I would like to mention you'll have to see how old is your child, and there are a couple of pointers I would like to mention before she starts her school, okay, like visiting the school to assess the medical readiness, okay. Usually the schools have sick bay and the medical staff like a nurse, okay, or a helper, okay. So you can visit the school and see what are their medical readiness. Do they have sick bay? Do they have a nurse, okay, who can help your child with the shot, insulin shot, okay. Then meeting the school staff like her class teacher, okay, the helpers in the school, take the permission from the principal, make them aware what could be the emergencies with the child, okay. You can even understand what is your child's school schedule, what is their schedule, how often do they get the breaks, what is their meal times, and how do you adjust the insulin as per their meal times, okay. So you'll have to work with your doctor, your school, and yes, with your child to set this regimen, okay. There is no hard and fast answer to this, that uh, you do this and it will work. So you'll have to work with your child's medical practitioner, your school people, and your child, and set up a routine for that, okay. And if your child is below 11 or below 10 of her age, then she should be supervised while she's taking the insulin shot in the school, okay. So make sure that there is somebody to supervise your child, either her school teacher is made aware of that, or there is a nurse who can assist her, or or else she can call you, give a call. Some schools do offer that also. They offer calling a parent while taking the shot, so that your child can discuss with you how many doses like she has to take, kitna units lena hai insulin ka, because there is a carb counting, okay. So these all things should be considered. Yeah,
Okay,
she has mentioned.
I'd like to add something. There
Yeah.
is this form by Blue Circle called Before the School Starts. You should ask Nupur or Manisha, this is for you. Ask Nupur or Snehal for it and take a copy of it before the school starts. Ideally, you should go to the school management, the principal, and the teachers, the class teacher, and all the teachers. You should have a little briefing, which is what I did when Ruhani joined the school. It's a protocol. We are supposed to go to the school, inform them about your child being type 1 diabetic,
Yes.
and arrange for a little briefing with this with the teachers, all the teachers that will be teaching your child, including the nurses, including the
Yes.
computer teacher, sports teacher. It just takes 5 to 10 to 15 minutes at the max. Just give them
Yes.
a little briefing about what type 1 diabetes is and what your child is suffering from, and in case what is a hyper and a hypo situation. In case of a hypo situation, what is supposed to be done. So there's this little form. If you go through that, it'll really help you. And there's a brochure which you're supposed to give it to the school, to your class teacher. So it should be kept at the on the desk of the teacher. And I don't know how your insulin format is. Do you carb
Yeah.
count and give your child, or is it given by your doctor that X amount of unit should be given before the tiffin? So in case there's a carb count, your child should call you during the break, and then you should inform your child or whoever's giving the insulin, probably the nurse, about how much insulin is supposed to be given. So I think that is very, very important. Meeting the school and the teachers and giving them this handout is very important. So, and in case of hypos, what are the symptoms that your child has? Because every child has a different symptom when he or she is going through hypo. So you need to tell them what the symptoms are, whether she gets dizziness, or she feels sweaty, or she's a little unconscious, or whatever. There are a couple of things. It's very, very the important document. Please go through it and have a briefing with your school. It'll really, really help you have a peace of mind while you are outside and your child is in school.
Yes. Yes. और सीजीएम भी इसमें बहुत हेल्प करेगा,
Before school
है ना?
starts,
या.
this is the thing. And yes, CGM is
Yes.
extremely important. I hope I hope
Yeah, if
your child
possible,
is
you can get her CGM, and that will give you real-time monitoring for her sugar levels. And another important thing I would like to mention is to keep something really sweet with her in terms of hypos that should be given to her immediately. ये भी आपको आपके स्कूल में बात करके रखना पड़ेगा और बच्चे के पास make sure that she will carry something sweet, either the juice or chocolate, which will help her revive immediately in terms of hypos. Okay, and try to avoid hypos. There are some insulins also. कुछ insulins ऐसे भी होते हैं कि which will cover your school time, but आप अपने डॉक्टर से बात कर लेना और उसके इंसुलिन के बारे में आप उनसे पूछ लेना कि कौन सा इंसुलिन आप उसके लिए यूज कर सकते हो, which will give her maximum coverage and will cover her schedule properly.
Manisha
Right?
says her child is on CGM. I also hope, Manisha, that you are on you have that Blue Circle app, which remotely gives your child CGM sugars onto your phone. So even while your child is in the school, you are aware of what her glucose readings are.
Right,
And if
right.
not, तो आप वो app download कर लीजिए. Blue Circle. What is it called? Blue Circle app.
Yeah, Blue Circle app. We could get that
Yes.
in the group also. If she is connected to group, she will get it in the group also. The link for the app.
Hmm. Correct.
Yes. So there's another challenge also, wherein the most of the time the juvenile type 1 kids parents face is managing, school activities, insulin, and also the diet part फॉर द किड्स. ओके, क्योंकि अगर बच्चों का टाइम बहुत एक्सटेंडेड है स्कूल्स का, तो उसके बीच में इंसुलिन और कैसे मैनेज करें. सो व्हाट आई नॉर्मली सी इज इफ दे आर ग्रोन अप किड्स, दे आर प्रीटी मच ऑन देयर ओन. अगर बच्चे बड़े हैं और अब अराउंड 15 years of their age and they get really used to it, उनको इंडिपेंडेंट होना अच्छा भी लगता है और खुद से करना अच्छा भी लगता है, तो दे यूजुअली टेक देयर शॉट्स ऑन देयर ओन. दे डू कैलकुलेट देयर कार्ब्स एंड टेक देयर शॉट्स. द रियल चैलेंज हैपेंस व्हेन द चाइल्ड इज यंग. सो यहाँ पे ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि वन ऑफ द पेरेंट्स माइट हैव टू स्टे अलोंग विद द चाइल्ड in terms of rigorous activities है, काफी सारे activities में involve हो रहे बच्चे, तो one of the parents might have to accompany the child uh, to their activities and to the places, different places. Another thing is what comes in my mind is carrying insulin. Rakesh, what do you say about this? Like, how do you manage carrying the insulin to school or to outside, to camps?
She Ruhani generally carries a little hang-on pouch with her, whether she's going to her school or even when she goes down to play. Now because she's 15, so she keeps it in her pocket. But that pouch had the glucometer, the insulin, and a little sugar.
Hmm.
She would never go out without that. So that pouch has been a part of her attire throughout.
Yeah.
So that is very important. And also, if it's too hot, then the insulin should not be carried because it needs to be in certain temperature. So
Yes.
there are these Frio. There are these pouches
Yes.
available on Amazon by the
Yes.
company called Frio, so it keeps
Yes.
the insulin cool in case in the summers or when it's too hot. So otherwise
Yeah.
those heat में insulin spoil हो जाती है. So when we are
Yes.
traveling or something, or during the summers we generally do that.
Right. Right. Yeah. Sonali has mentioned eating dabba together also can be very challenging. Yes, that's true, Sonali. But that is what the trick is about. Yes, kids will be kids. They want to eat everything. Like even with my child also, I have faced this challenge. उनको बहुत बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट हम नहीं कर सकते हैं. दे वांट टू बी जस्ट लाइक एनी अदर चाइल्ड. दे वांट टू शेयर देयर टिफिन, दे वांट टू ईट फ्रॉम अदर्स टिफिन. So yes, we should make them understand. We should have a nice talk with our child and let them understand their health condition and what they should be doing, what they should not be doing. But yes, when they are away, this becomes a real challenge. आपका क्या experience है राकेश इसके बारे में? She has
No,
mentioned about eating.
actually, asking the kids not to eat what the other kids are eating is extremely difficult for a parent, as difficult as it is for the child. So, with a huge thing on our heart, we tried it, but we didn't want to continue it like that. So, I tell my child to eat anything and everything. Only thing is, I ask her to eat it in limited
Small
quantity.
portions.
So,
Small
yeah,
portions.
the portion is very important and keep the sugars on check. So Ruhani eats everything, anything that any other kid eats. So she does should not feel, "Arey yaar, I can't have this." Yes,
Correct.
like every kid, diabetes is actually a lifestyle disease. It is not the type one kids are not supposed to eat anything which the other kids are not supposed to eat.
Mhm.
Type 1 diabetic kids are supposed to eat what every other kid or every adult should be eating: less
Mhm.
of processed food, less of junk, more of protein, fiber.
Right.
Little carb is very, very important. So,
Yes.
हर बच्चे को जंक नहीं खाना चाहिए.
Correct.
हमको
Correct.
जंक नहीं खाना चाहिए. It is wrong for everybody. But
Correct.
because they are type 1 diabetic, it affects them all the more because their insulin, their pancreas are not making insulin. So they have to take extra insulin for that. So if I stop her completely, I don't want to deprive her of the normal, things which might become too heavy for her to handle. And I don't want कि वो छुप के खाए, because इसमें तो छुप के नहीं हो सकता. Whatever you eat
Correct.
will show on the graph. So we never stopped her to eat anything. She eats
Right.
everything and in control and keeping a sugar check and taking adequate correction.
Correct. 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 They don't want to feel discriminated or different from any other kids around them, their friends and their circle. They just want to be just like them, be a part of them. Yeah. So
Manisha
this,
is asking about Meow Meow. I am not, I don't use it, so I won't be the right
yeah,
person to
I think
answer. I don't know.
yes, there is an answer also from Nupur. If you don't have a Mio Mio, you can also sync the Glimp app with the Blue Circle Diabetes app to remotely track the sugars. Yes.
Correct. That is
So,
one part. Yeah, you say?
so yeah, I was coming to the crucial part of schooling, exams. So, आपका क्या experience रहा है अब तक?
Honestly, for me, ever since Ruani's been diagnosed, uh, her health is top priority, and I do not give much importance to academics as of now. I know it is wrong as a parent, but my point is, uh, if she's healthy, everything else will fall in place. If she's academically very strong but not healthy, so I don't want to go there. And and today's education systems also, you don't know what they're studying for. Those jobs might not exist by the time they are ready for the jobs. So my point is, she should be healthy, she should be aware, she should be smart, she should be able to handle her health and her life uh, adequately, because that will make her a wholesome person.
Right.
Career will happen. And even without diabetes, I never thought our education system is so strong that whatever we've studied, even while we were studying, I realized ये कभी काम नहीं आने वाला है, except if you want to become a doctor, engineer. Now you can become a pilot without having a science background or maths. So
Hmm.
what matters to me is the child should grow up in a good, healthy environment, and the child should be street smart. The child should be aware. The child should be day to day dunyadari is more important than
Yeah,
just being academically very strong. So I,
yeah.
sorry, I might sound a
No,
little
I'm
defensive,
sure
but
that every
for
parent
me,
must be thinking in the same way that, health is more important than the studies comes later, education comes later. First is your health. If you're healthy and you're balanced, then only you can move ahead in your life. So I do understand, but
because
yeah,
because
there
the,
are
because
some
the
real time
stress
challenges.
because the
As
stress of the exams, the graph shoots up. Now it is
yes,
very
I was
evident and
coming
it's
to that.
very obvious. Kids might
Yes,
misuse that also. कि एग्जाम की टेंशन है, sugar high हुआ, my parents will get worried. They'll say, अच्छा अच्छा बच्चा, don't study. So we've done that. We've crossed that, and we've realized, नहीं, education obviously is important. Health is more important, but that does not mean you take advantage of that. So Ruhani has a
hmm,
good balance of finding the right balance between टेंशन लेनी है पर इतनी नहीं लेनी है कि हमारी हेल्थ अफेक्ट हो. So
right.
that balance is, I think, very important for the kids and more importantly for the parents, because we get more anxious, we get more hyper, and she cools us down. It's okay, I'll manage. So that,
Right,
I
right,
think, is more important.
right. Rakesh, I see a comment by Sonali wherein she has mentioned that in our case, Rama's friends' moms changed their kids' dabba to a great extent so that all started eating healthy. So yes, we
Super.
have seen these changes also. Like, this becomes a good change uh, in people around us as well. They also become a little bit aware about what
Aware.
they are eating, how they are keeping up with their health issues, okay, with their health parameters. तो लोगों में भी ये awareness बढ़ जाता है, and yes, we also you see that that small changes around in the people around us. Yeah,
But how Sonali, how old is your child? I did she mention that somewhere? Because at a younger age this can happen.
I guess her
Uh,
daughter should be around 18 now because
oh,
I know her. Yeah, I know her.
acha.
I know Rama. Yeah,
So she's done her schooling, na? That means.
yeah. She's in her college now.
Okay.
Yeah,
Because
Sonali is there.
exchanging
She's
डब्बास वो तो थोड़ा बच्चों वाला हो गया ना. And the younger the kids, the more the McDonald's, the burgers, the fries, because most of the kids would want that. And oh, she's 17. Ah,
she's
okay.
70, but
So
she was
your weight
diagnosed
went
at
up.
the age of 8. Yeah, and she
But
has
but
gone
what a
through the
great
schooling era, right?
but what a great thought. If the other parents also say, okay, we are also sending healthy food for our child, so you guys can exchange the dabba. So every child is eating good food, tasty food,
Hmm.
and non-processed and non carb filled. Wow. So वो तो peer pressure भी नहीं हुआ, but I think you're
Yes.
lucky if people around you did that, and it's a
So
great thought.
yes, as I said कि ये चेंज भी इनिशिएट हो जाता है कभी कभी अपने आप when people give it a thought. जब लोग सोचने लगते हैं तो ये चेंज भी इनिशिएट अपने आप कभी कभी हो जाता है कि सब लोग अपने हेल्थ के बारे में फूड के बारे में कॉन्शियस थोड़ा सा सोचने लगते हैं कॉन्शियसली. So yeah, I was coming to this exam uh,
Savita, you're
point,
so well
Rakesh.
prepared. You have all the points ready. Good, yeah.
No, actually, I was mentioning that there is a NCPCR guidelines for the schools. Okay, कभी कभी ऐसा हो जाता है कि schools are not aware of you know what are the requirements of type 1 children. Okay, this is a little important point that I would like to mention. कि कभी कभी ऐसे हो जाता है कि बच्चे एग्जाम्स जा रहे हैं और उनको अलाउ नहीं किया जाता है टू कैरी देयर डायबिटीज सप्लाई. ओके, लाइक द हाइपोकीट, दे माइट नीड द ग्लूकोमीटर. सो ये जो उनका डायबिटीज सप्लाई है, दे माइट स्कूल अथॉरिटीज माइट नॉट अलाउ देम. सो एनसीपीसीआर गाइडलाइंस है उस पे. एंड actually school authorities are supposed to let them carry their diabetes supplies for the exams during the exams as well. और उसका एक letter भी है which parents can avail from the blue circle WhatsApp group. And actually there was a in 2022-23 blue circle had participated in NCPCR meetings. Okay, and this eventually it was led to NCPCR sending the sure that the students with the type 1 diabetes should get the support during the school and also during the exam times. So it is not about only exam times, but they should be getting the support which they usually require during the school times as well. Okay, so parents can get this information from Blue Circle Diabetes group also. You can connect any one of us on Blue Circle Diabetes Foundation WhatsApp group and get this NCPCR guidelines from us.
There is an important point on this. Uh, Obviously, for the exams, it is very important if the child is on CGM to be allowed to carry the phone. But obviously, for the other keeping the safety and the cheating and stuff in mind, the child cannot keep the phone with her or him. It should be given to the class teacher. So this has to
Mhm.
be done before the exams start, so the protocol is maintained and people are aware and there's no last minute changes. But especially when it's about the boards, we face this. The school was aware that Ruhani is type 1 diabetic and she is supposed to carry her stuff, but we are supposed to specify that during filling a form. I don't know what is the technical word of that form. There is a form to be filled before the board exams. I think a month or two before the board exams,
Okay.
wherein the parents' name, the spellings, everything is cross-checked. A couple of you have to fill that form 3 4 times, so,
Okay.
just so that nothing changes after that. So in that form you need to mention. There was some confusion in our school. We asked them, should we mention? They said no, whatever the questions are, we just need to answer that. We can't write any other extra information. But I thought we are supposed to mention that our child is type 1 diabetic and there are certain protocols to be followed, which later on the school also realized that, yeah, there's this thing which was skipped. So then the school made an extra effort. The principal ma'am made an extra effort. She, wrote to the board and everything, and she made sure everything happened. She and her team were physically present for Ruhani in her center, so that
Okay.
there's no miscommunication or something. But had that been filled during the form, all this wouldn't have happened. This is very important. I think your child is in the 10th standard now, right?
Yes. Yes.
So this was
So you
this
are
was something.
particularly mentioning about the board exams for 10th?
See, before in every exam, the child is supposed to carry her stuff. But in boards, you are not supposed to carry anything. You need to carry your stationery in a transparent bag. So
Okay.
obviously the phone is not allowed, but even the CGM you need to write. She's on CGM, and for sugar and glucometer, all that also has to be in a transparent bag, and it needs to be mentioned and approved by the board. Only then will you be allowed.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, you will not be allowed. So that is very, very important.
Okay. Okay. Thanks for sharing this
Hmm.
experience, Rakesh. It is really helpful.
So for my last query on Meow Meow. Snehal, you need to answer Manisha again. I think she missed your
Yeah.
Meow
Sure.
Meow explanation. Manisha,
Yes.
Snail will just send you the message again.
Yes. Again, I would like to mention the friends' contribution for your child in school. When your child is away and in school, friends can be really, great buddies for them. देखो, uh, my experience is that बच्चे बहुत अच्छी तरह से समझ जाते हैं and they do take care of each other. Okay, in terms of my child as well, when her friends got to know, even Ovi was in boarding school for a year uh, during her 8th standard, and they really handled it very well. The kids acted very maturely. उन्होंने समझ लिया कि अरे ऐसा भी होता है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पता ही नहीं होता है सबको कि मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल दे डोंट नो कि व्हाट इज टाइप 1 डायबिटीज, इंसुलिन क्या है, कैसे कैरी करते हैं, क्यों लेना है, कब लेना है, इसका अवेयरनेस मोस्टली नहीं होता है। बट जब उनको पता चला कि शी हैज टू बी ऑन इंसुलिन, शी हैज टू टेक हर शॉट्स बिफोर मील्स, her friends were really supportive, even her dorm friends, her classmates, and the staff in the school. So you really have to make people aware of the condition, of your health condition and your requirements. And मुझे लगता है कि फ्रेंड्स तो बहुत अच्छे बडीज बन जाते हैं आपके चाइल्ड के लिए ड्यूरिंग द स्कूल टाइम्स. हाउ डू यू फील अबाउट इट, राकेश?
Yes, it's very important. A buddy is very important for any child, and especially type 1. It is mandatory that the child does not go unescorted to the washroom, and also when the child is hypo. So a
Mm-hmm.
buddy is very important, and Ruhani has been lucky that she's got those kind of friends who would support her and be with her. So Ruhani was allowed a buddy to go to the washroom and to take insulin shots. तो होता है ना, 2-3 buddies रेडी हो जाते थे. So we had to stop कि नहीं नहीं, only one is allowed. So the teachers also कि ये लोग मजे करने चले जाते हैं. So there are certain perks also that these kids enjoy, and the bonding is also better, and the sense of responsibility happens on the other kids also. They would be more aware. Ruhani, check your sugar. Ruhani, you should not have this. So I think it is beautiful, and even for those kids to understand that somebody needs them, so they also feel important. And
Yes,
Ruhani also felt that she's protected. She has her, she's in a
yes,
shell, and
yes,
she has people in case of a hypo, in case of an emergency. My
yes,
teachers are there, my friends are there, my people are
yes,
there, and my parents are just a call away. Even when I'd go for shoots, I would tell my producers. It's a whole web. It is not just the teachers and the friends. It is your neighbors, your family, and everything, and even where you work. So I would always ask them to give me a makeup room, because makeup room में generally network कहीं होता है, कहीं नहीं होता है. So I
mm,
would request them to give me a makeup room which has network, so I'm accessible to my daughter, because she would at 12 o'clock for a second break, she would call me, and she would tell me what her sugars are and what she's eating, and how much insulin she's taking. So we are in sync, so we know what she's doing is right. In case I have some suggestion or something, in case she cannot connect to me, she connects to the mother, so one of us has to be accessible. So I was very clear that I need a makeup room wherein my I am accessible to my child. And even while we are shooting, if I get a call, generally हम phone silent पे करके रखते हैं और हम नहीं लेते.
right,
But
yes,
in case my daughter calls, I will take the call, because it might be an emergency call, and just in case it is needed, I will leave right away. So they were very,
yes,
very supportive, extremely kind, and it wasn't that everyone knows that if Rakesh has to go, he has to go. They didn't make it sound very dramatic. I told them
yes,
to just keep it to themselves. They were very kind and
mm,
sensitive and understanding. They gave me all those, so that I'm comfortable in between. Sometimes I would take a call in case it's emergent, So otherwise, so that is also very important. And even my wife, and we prefer school which is close to our house.
right,
So right now Rouhani is in Billabong, which is half a
mm,
kilometer away from my house. So in case there's a problem, we would be there in 5 to 7 minutes. So that is
right,
very, very important. We were lucky that we had that kind of a support system in terms of our school being close to the house, or our work people were accommodating.
right,
Of course, Rouhani's friends and Rouhani's school. That support system is very, very important. It just makes you feel
yeah,
safer. It gives you peace of mind.
yeah. Rakesh, I see there is a query from Akshata Kiran Shetty. She has mentioned, has there been any incidents where friends consider this challenge as a mean of revenge in younger kids, like plucking CGM, making fun, etc.?
This Everything comes with the plus and minuses. So there
Mm.
have been incidents where people have been making fun of type 1 diabetic people, but it's not new. मोटे को मोटा बोलते हैं, पतले को पतला बोलते हैं, काले को काला बोलते हैं, गोरे को गोरा बोलते हैं, वो तो होता ही है ना. So I tell Rohani, they are readying you for the big bad world, because when you enter in the big bad world, there are certain people who are supportive, but there are certain people who are like that, who want to pull you down always. So it is also their upbringing. It is also with due respect to them. I feel our kid should go through this so that they understand everyone is not as protective as your family. There is a different kind. There are different kinds of people outside your protective zone. So it is better that they face these challenges in school, because eventually they have to face. So
Yes.
in a way, it's readying your child for the big bad world. It's happened. See, gym pe hatana, calling Ruhani sugar baby, calling Ruhani अरे इसको, all those diabetic जो memes
Yes.
होते हैं वो बताना.
Yes.
Don't I don't want to get there, but it is painful
Yes.
for the parents to
You
hear
have to
that.
make your child strong and be ready to face
Yeah,
such
but it's
situations.
okay. Just tell them they know not what they are doing, so it's okay. But my thing is, my child eats better than what she used to be eating before. We eat better. So it is also one very important thing that it was very disheartening when you have to face type 1 diabetes as a parent, as a family. And I could never take injections ever. I would,
Mm.
I could not even see my brother getting injected. I would scream,
Mm.
and then suddenly the doctor gives you the insulin. Now the daddy has to learn to give injection to the child, and that happened in the hospital. Kokila Ben, they said Ruhani is ready to go home, but the parents need to learn. So till the time the
Mm.
parents don't learn, Ruhani is here.
Yeah.
So our classes happened and everything, and the minute she gave me the injection, I got tears in my eyes. I didn't know how to react. How could I?
In fact,
And
yeah, in fact, to answer to Akshata's query, I would say ki in terms of my daughter, in fact, we found that her friends found her really brave to be able to take the shots on her own. जो मतलब normally सारे ही बच्चे they are very scared of any kind of shots. Okay, even elders are also very scared of shots. तो जैसे एक बुलिंग पार्ट होता है वैसे ही अप्रिसिएशन भी पार्ट होता है कि people might find them really brave and to be on their own in such situation with such health conditions. तो दोनों तरह के experiences होते हैं. You have to learn to deal with such experiences. राकेश, एक और चीज मुझे इस क्वेरी से याद आ रही है. It's about the school awareness sessions that are run by Blue Circle Diabetes Foundation group. Okay, हमारे ग्रुप से जो स्कूल अवेयरनेस सेशंस होते हैं which we usually give the knowledge about how to deal with diabetes, what is diabetes, what are the types of diabetes, and we do conduct these programs for schools, corporates, okay, social groups, even the online workshops, offline workshops, and these workshops are free. We don't charge anything for such workshops. So conducting such workshops in social groups, schools, and corporates help people to understand challenges of type 1 diabetes and all sort of diabetes in general. But it is better to spread awareness and make people aware of this health condition rather facing the challenges alone. तो इससे सोसाइटी में भी लोगों को पता चलेगा कि क्या चैलेंजेस हो सकते हैं. इवन बच्चों का रिएक्शन इसमें बहुत अच्छा हमने देखा है. व्हेन वी गो फॉर द वर्कशॉप्स इन स्कूल्स, they find it really amazing how the kids take short and how they manage the things or on their own in the schools, in general in their life, and they become very supportive indeed. And the bullying part is covered a little bit. Once the awareness comes, the bullying part is certainly reduced. Yeah, I think there is another comment. All right, that's the answer to Akshata. If you are not a part of our WhatsApp group, Akshata, and you are a parent of a T1 child, please feel free to reach out with your number and city of residence. We'll add you in the group. Yeah, Akshata, you can join the Blue Circle community through WhatsApp group. We are on the social media, Insta, Twitter, and Facebook as well. Yes. So, back to what you mentioned, Rakesh, support is very important for uh, type 1 child, be it a family support at home or support in school when they are away, support from their friends and people around them. And there also comes a support from the community, the support community, like similar to Blue Circle Diabetes Foundation, which we are connected and blessed with. Actually, that also is a big moral support for any type 1 child or the type 1 parents even to deal, because this is a daily situation. ये रोज हमें हैंडल करना है, रोज अलग अलग challenges हो सकते हैं. तो सपोर्ट कम्युनिटी का एक बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन हो जाता है टू मेक द थिंग्स bearable, easy, and to get the moral support. What do you say about it?
Yeah, of course, that is the reason we are all here. That is the reason we are all connected. That is the reason why we feel safer. We have a peace of mind because uh, we can't keep going to the doctors at drop of a hat with these
Yeah,
queries, because we need
that's
to
right.
understand that they are handling so many more people. And for this day-to-day life, I think this Blue Circle group is God sent to us. It is brilliant. Any time of the day, any time of the night, you tell them, somebody or the other will take out time and sort your query. It is wonderful. I think all type fun parents, all type fun people should be connected to this group for sure. Whichever part of the world you're in, especially in India, wherever you are, you can just please connect to Blue Circle Diabetes Foundation and get connected to us. I'm talking about Nupur and Snehal, and they will connect you to whichever city you're in. So they will connect you to that city's WhatsApp group and that entire community. It's extremely beneficial to everyone. Extremely, extremely beneficial. We
Yes,
are so lucky. We are so blessed to have this group
yes.
in our
And
lives. Yeah.
yeah, even we have the group internationally as well. So you can ask about that also. If you
See, we
are
are global.
out of India as well, you can still, yeah. And yes, not to mention again, you can connect to us for the diabetes awareness sessions. When I say diabetes awareness session, it consists of both type 1 and other forms of diabetes as well. So you can connect to us for diabetes awareness sessions at your corporates, schools, and organizations, institutions, social groups, uh, to spread more awareness about diabetes in general and how to live with the daily challenges of living with diabetes. So, yes, unless we have more queries, just let me check once. All right, I don't see any queries any for Rakesh.
Yep.
All right. Thank you everyone for joining today's session about school and living with type 1 diabetes. It was wonderful to be here and answer your queries about type 1 diabetes. And you can join us on social media. And yes, we are there to answer your queries if you have any further queries about type 1 diabetes and diabetes in general, and also about dealing with the school activities, school schedule, and diabetes. Rakesh?
Great. So it is nice chatting with you also, Savita. There's so much to learn from each other. And thank you, Blue Circle, for being there for us. And I would K Mandhar, great. Thanks, both of you. Thanks, Mandhar, for joining. And please join this uh, Blue Circle group. Trust me, it'll change your life. It'll be such a great help. And for any more queries, anything, I think Blue Circle comes live every Sunday. So any queries you can come on the live chat and ask, or even ask in the group. And thank you, Snehal and Nupur, again for being there for us. Will have I will connect with you guys after this, because मेरी भी कुछ और भी queries हैं जो मुझे अभी याद आ गई जो आपसे पूछनी है. So I'll connect to you guys again. And thank you, Savita. Thank you, guys. It
Thank
was
you,
great
Rakesh. Thank you,
chatting with
everyone.
you guys, and we'll look forward to more of such sessions. And I'd also want to hear from the new parents about their experiences, and anything, you know, any queries or anything. You can DM us also. Besides Nupur and Snehal, always there for people like us. We are all actually related to each other, because we are all sailing
Yes.
in the same boat. So I wish all the best to you guys. Be healthy, be happy, and may our kids and all our kids be healthy and happy. And all of us, we are in it together. So all the best.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
We will
Thank
be
you. Abhi, somebody has to tell me how to log off.